Hello, I'm CJ Yen. This is a quick video to show how to stretch image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose a template to create a design. I will use presentation. After presentation design page is created, we can go to uploads to upload image file. Or we can go to file folder. We can click and drag the image into Canva to import the image. Next, we can select the image and then click and drag the corner to adjust the size, or we can use Shift to adjust the crop area. Also, we can click and drag the edge to adjust the crop area. I put it here, and also we can use double click to enter the crop tool. We can click and drag to adjust the size of the image. We can press Shift and make it stretch. I put it here and then click on empty space to create the crop tool so we can make the stretch image. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yen. See you in the next video.